Okay, so for picking relative bond polarity, hopefully we can all agree that these are going to be polar covalent bonds because they're between fluorine and chlorine, fluorine and iodine, fluorine and bromine. So you're just looking for the biggest electronegativity difference. So the biggest difference is going to be between fluorine and iodine. So I would say that that is the most polar. I don't actually know if they got like number rankings or something, but this is definitely the most polar because there's going to be the most electronegativity difference between the iodine and the fluorine. The fluorine and the chlorine are closest together, so it's going to be the least polar, and the fluorine and bromine are going to be the middle option. So that's probably going to be two, right? Depending on how they decide the numerical ranking here for ALEKS. Okay, so let's look at another one where we're in a different going across a period rather than up and down a group. So this is a bond between hydrogen and oxygen, or hydrogen and fluorine, or hydrogen and carbon. So carbon, oxygen, and fluorine. And here is hydrogen over here. So again, you're looking for like the biggest difference on the periodic table. So hydrogen and fluorine has to be the largest difference in electronegativity. And then hydrogen and carbon will be the smallest difference in electronegativity. So this is going to be the least polar. In fact, we're pretty confident saying this is a non-polar bond, and this will be the most polar. And then the hydrogen oxygen bond will be our middle option, right? Somewhere like that. All right, so use the periodic table to help you with those ones.